So in this video, let's take some time to talk about the different menu items. The category or the menu sections, what exactly are they? Well, they are these right here. These are what we call the categories, all right? So they go from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to number 36. All right, so usually on this page, the very first page, we go ahead and put some of those delicious food items and main dishes in, all right? Then for the second page, you can just go ahead and click right here on this button, and you will be able to see that the second page is for all of these different types of refreshing drinks and various beverages. In other words, these items won't be sent to the kitchen. That means when you order any of these items, usually on the second page, which is for drinks and alcohol, they have nothing to do with the kitchen orders. The kitchen dishes are usually placed on the first page. Okay, all right, so here we have from 1 to 36, and then over here, it's from 37 to 72, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and so on, just counting like this all the way up to this point, the cutoff point. All right, so how do we define this? Oh, and let me also talk about these are the different menu categories. When you click on them, the related dishes will appear. For example, if you click on seafood, many different seafood options will come up. Now, what about these green ones? Usually we define these as green. These are known as hotkeys or keyboard shortcuts. When you click on them, instead of displaying a long list, it acts as a direct shortcut, just one simple click. That's it. It will bring up and display that fake item, as we previously mentioned. So how exactly do we define this? All right, so let's navigate our way over to this specific category located within the main navigation menu, and then simply click on it with your mouse to proceed further. Okay, so this version is in English and this other one is in Chinese. All of these items are menus, so when you click on them, you'll have a wide variety of different options to choose from. For example, there are many delicious curry dishes listed under the specific curry menu. Whether it is the curry beef or the curry prawns, you are free to choose whichever one you like best. Now, what about these options listed down below? In most cases, these positions will start from number 27, and these are what we call shortcut keys. As for these shortcut keys, we typically use the color green to represent them. If you want to make this menu button, that is this category button, into a hotkey, you need to check this box here. All right, so what kind of dish will come up when you press a hotkey? All right, let's see which item will appear. It's defined right here, 114, so 114, that's the specific one selected. In other words, when I press this menu key, this category button, it will bring up the fries. All right, exactly just like this. The same goes for plain rice. It is also highlighted in green. I turn it into a hotkey, turning this category button into a hotkey, so when you press it, the fried rice will appear right here. So what about these ones? You can change those colors however you like. All right, here is the beverage category 1212, right? It's usually used for drinks, meaning those items that have nothing to do with the kitchen. Starting from button number 37, which is that category button, and going all the way to number 72, these buttons all belong to the second page. 40.